And joining us from CommSec is Craig James. Craig, I noticed the Aussie dollar took a bit of a beating overnight, but it could be more to do with US dollar strength.
Yeah, US dollar strength there. So the Aussie dollar did lose 3/4 cent overnight, down at 67 US cents. Good news for our exporters, but bad news if you're planning to travel overseas. In terms of the share market, I sound a little bit like a broken record, but we're headed for another soft start for our market. I think I've said that basically every day, so this week. The share price index on the futures pointing to a fall of around about 11 points or 0.2% at the start of trade. UK market was down by 0.1%. The Bank of England increased interest rates for the 12th consecutive month, up another 0.25% to 4.5%. In terms of the US markets, mixed there. The Dow Jones down 222 points or 0.7%, and the broader market was down by 0.2%. But the Nasdaq was higher by 0.2%. Weighing on overall proceedings was the earnings result from Disney. Its share price down in the order of 8.7%. Base metal prices were very weak overnight. Copper and aluminium futures down over 3%. We had the oil prices lower as well. NYMEX down by 2.3%. Gold down by $16.60 an ounce, 0.8%, and iron ore down to $2.05 a tonne or 1.9%. So all those falls in commodity prices are going to weigh on our share market as well. There's nothing really to focus on here in Australia today. We've got consumer sentiment and export and import prices coming out from the US later tonight.
Yeah, I know ahead of the weekend, petrol prices have softened a little bit in the past week, so that's a good thing. Craig James from CommSec, thanks so much.